All right. Thank you for stopping by and watching my videos. My name is Jide. Thank you for coming around. And as you all know, I talk about life in Canada. If you have checked my YouTube playlist so far, you see I talk about mindset. I talk about life in Canada. Currently, I live in Guelph, Canada, and I am always looking for information to share, as much information that will be of benefit to my viewers. I share as much as I have. So today I want to talk about some of the books that I have found. So currently I sell books on Amazon, and from time to time I source books that are of interest and people find interesting and on Amazon. So yeah, some of the books I want to do a short review of them, and hopefully you will find those books interesting, especially the ones that relate to hobbies and special interests. The first one with me here is Back to Basics. Okay, this so Barefoot Contessa, Back to Basics, Fabulous Flavors from Simple Ingredients by Ina uh, Gattin. Okay, so this is a cookbook, especially for those who are interested in cooking and are looking for opportunities to flavor their cooking with new flavors. So it's designed to actually help you throw great parties without flavors. Okay, so it's organized by different gatherings of types of gatherings, from the casual brunches to elegant dinners. Uh, this particular author shares her favorite recipes, okay, and entertaining tips to make your event memorable. So if you are looking to add flavor to your event to make it different, like people come around and they eating something that makes them wow, you want to actually wow your guests at your next dinner or party, I would recommend you get this book. Uh, Barefoot Condenser, Back to Basics, Fabulous Flavor from Simple Ingredient. Okay, great flavor does not have to be from complex ingredients. Simple ingredients that you can find around, okay, can actually make you have a great flavored cooking if you know what it takes. Okay, so there are some standard sections in the book. Okay, some are summer lunch. You find holiday dinner, then dessert party. So it's very interesting. It's a very interesting book. So I encourage you to get it. It's a must for anyone who loves to entertain people. It's the recipes are very delicious and invaluable for stress-free uh, hosting. Okay, so that's one of the books that I recommend that get if you are interested in adding more flavors to your cooking. All right, so this next one I have with me is written by Martha Stewart. Okay, the Martha Stewart Living Christmas Cookbook. Okay, it's a comprehensive collection of Christmas recipes. Okay, so this author is also a lady, of course. Cookbooks, most cookbooks are written by women, so this is for everything from appetizer. If you're looking for ideas on preparing appetizer, you get it in this book. From appetizer to main courses to dessert to drinks, and especially when in the summer period, I have a lot of fun holidays, gatherings. So this book comes handy for you as a cook looking to spice up your cooking. So it's divided into sections. We have breakfast, we have brunch, we have soup and salad, we have our main dishes, dessert. The recipes stand out. You can find it in regular cookbooks. So you can always make some standout recipe from uh, you can make standard recipes from simple ingredients like roast turkey with herb bitter, herb butter rather. So cranberry, chestnut. Okay, so it's the book has great pictures for references, very high quality images you find in the book. Recommended for you as well. All right. So the next one here is I can make that. It's fantastic craft for kids. If you are looking for a book for your kid to help him or her boost his creativity in uh, creative works, act, and craft, this book comes very handy. These days, we find it challenging to get our kids off TV. With this book, you can structure their daily activity around it to make sure that they have less time, less screen time, and more practical and creative time. So the pro is there's a wide variety of holiday recipes. Okay, beautiful photos, practical or entertaining tips from the book. It's a great resource for planning a festive meal also from start. Uh, sorry, we're talking about craft here. Okay, so crafts, handmade gift, projects, and everything that involves creativity made from commonly available materials like papers, like ribbons, thread, stuff like that are commonly available. They can actually be made to create craft. So I recommend this book as a parents get it to help your children get engaged. Okay, so the next one, which is the final one today, is topic is explorer. Okay, explorers, amazing tales of the world's greatest adventurer. So uh, if you're adventurous, from the comfort of your house, you can let your mind go on an imagination through this book. You can get to place you've never been from the comfort of your home by just picturing and reading this book. So it is we have these are the contents: sea and ice, land, air and space. So regardless, depending on the area of your interest, whether it's sea and ice, there are so each category lists significant people in history who have done exploration in those areas. We have those that have done exploration in sea and the ice. We have those that have done exploration on the land. Those who have done exploration on the air and space. So it's noteworthy to read about these people and get inspiration from them if you are interested in doing adventure. So is it has striking illustrations, maps that enhances the adventure, offering you a visual feast that complement the text. So as you read the text, you have visual uh, elements to support the text. So it's not just leaving you to your imagination; it's also providing graphic connection. So to it, so the author has enthusiasm for exploration, for discovery of new places. Uh, so I'm sure it will transfer the enthusiasm and passion to you in the spirit of adventure. So I said the last book, but no, sorry, that's not the last book. This will be the last book I'll be reviewing, talking about today. So the biology book. Have you been interested? Have you been having flair for biology? Maybe when you are still in Early days in school, you develop interest in biology, but over the time you lost it. This book can help you get your interest back in biology. You're interested in knowing how living system works. Well, this book will really be of great help to you. It is the author has effectively broken down complex concepts into understandable sections. Uh, if you're a student of science, you will find this book valuable, or probably you're just an enthusiast of biological science, you will find this book interesting. It covers topics from basis of cell biology to intricacies of genetics and evolution, and it has clear explanations, okay, and engaging illustrations that could help you uh, advance your knowledge and make it memorable for you. So the author approached it in a balanced and clear way. So it provides you with a solid foundation in biology. And if you are looking to take a course, maybe you are planning to get into university, and one of your courses is going to be biology, this could be a starting point for you to get and understand it. So I recommend this book for you to get it as well. So thank you for watching my video so far. So if you have been watching, my name is Jide. I talk about life in Canada and also interests such as books, reading books, and these are some of the books I have interest in that I've shared with you today. So keep watching my channel. One of these very soon I'm going to do a giveaway on a book. So if you live in Guelph or in Ontario, I will be doing a free book giveaway that if you are living close by, you can come and pick it up. Or if you don't mind, I will give you the book free, but you are going to pay for the shipping. If you don't mind, all right. So keep subscribe to my channel. Very soon, I'm going to give a giveaway of a very interesting book. Please, if you like this content, please do like it, share it, and subscribe. And also don't forget to click the notification bell. Till next time, have a wonderful day. Bye bye.